If you've been thinking about buying a home with an FHA loan, there's some exciting news that could make the process smoother, especially if you're relying on family for financial help. The Federal Housing Administration, or FHA, just announced a significant change to its guidelines that could make it much easier for homebuyers. What changed? Well, since 2008, after the financial crisis, FHA loans have become a go-to option for many homebuyers. However, one sticking point has always been the documentation required when a family member donates money for a down payment or closing costs. Traditionally, donors had to provide a bank statement to prove their ability to gift funds, which often caused frustration and hesitation, particularly among parents and grandparents. But here's the good news. As of this week, donors are no longer required to provide a bank statement. This change aims to ease the process for both donors and homebuyers, making FHA loans more accessible. What does this mean for you? Let's break it down. No more bank statements. Donors no longer need to submit their bank statements. This simplifies the process significantly, reducing paperwork and hassle. Gift letters still required. Donors still need to provide a signed gift letter confirming that the money given is a gift and not a loan. Documenting the transfer. While the bank statement requirement is gone, there are still several ways to document funds transfer. Here are your options. Provide a copy of the donor's wire transfer or canceled check. Show evidence of the donor's withdrawal and the deposit into the borrower's account. Use a copy of the electronic funds transfer. Closing escrow verification. If the gift funds are verified at the close of escrow, all that's needed is proof of the electronic funds transfer, a bank-certified check, a cashier's check, or an official bank check. You don't need a bank statement. Why these matter? Well, this change is a big step forward in making FHA loans more user-friendly. It aligns FHA guidelines more closely with those of conventional loans, which do not require such detailed donor documentation. This update should ease the burden on families, allowing them to support their loved ones in purchasing a home without unnecessary complications. For final thoughts, buying a home is one of the most significant steps in achieving the American dream. And it's wonderful to see the FHA making moves to simplify the process. If you're considering an FHA loan and need financial help from your family, this new guideline can make the journey a little easier. Always remember, though, to work with your mortgage professional to ensure all your documentation is in order and that you're fully aware of all requirements.